Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Castro5661, and today we have our review on the Igo PowerXtender. It is a universal battery power charger. But before we get into the product, let's talk a little bit about the company. Igo is a company that makes solutions for all your powering needs. Now you guys are probably saying, there's a lot of companies out there that make products that power your devices, so what really separates Igo from the pack? And what does so is this right here. What this is called PowerXtender Technology. You guys probably recognize this top part. That's for the Apple products such as the iPods and iPhones. Now what PowerXtender Technology is they make a bunch of different tips like this one that are compatible with many different cell phones, Bluetooth, smartphones, PDAs, MP3s, gaming devices, and cameras, along with many other electronics. And what their tips do is they connect to all their gadgets. They connect to all their products. Like here we have the PowerXtender, and you see at the top you're going to connect it as such. And it's the same way for all their other products like wall chargers, car chargers, laptop chargers. All of it works the same. So their philosophy is to eliminate as many cables as possible and replace them with these little things called power tips. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the Igo PowerXtender. This product retails on the Igo website for $15.99, and you do get one free power tip when you purchase it. Now what it includes is your first set of premium batteries, because it is a battery powered charger. Now that's the only thing I really had a problem with, would be buying batteries for it. But then I started thinking, if they were to make a lithium-ion battery charger, then you'd have to carry around another cable so you can power your external battery charger, and that's really going against their philosophy. So I understand why they went with a universal battery charger. Now on the inside you do get your user manual, which I recommend you read before using the product, because I know we just like to test things out, but I do recommend you read it. And here you have a little product guide, and you see one adapter fits all your devices. So as you guys see right here, there's a camera, there's a, I guess that's a PDA, Bluetooth, cell phone, laptop, and one adapter. So say we put the PowerXtender in the middle right there, powers all of your devices. So that's how they work. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the PowerXtender itself. Now it's made of plastic, as you guys can see right there. Has the Igo logo at the top. There is a little light right there which turns on when you start charging your device. Here we have an on and off switch. I know there's a little bit of light on there, but there's on and off switch, and here's the top piece. So the way this works is, let's go ahead and take out our batteries. You grab the clear side with one hand and the painted side with the other, and you just pull it apart. It comes apart easily. And on the inside it actually has how to put the batteries. Like this one, we're going to put the positive side in first, and this one the negative side in first. Then you go ahead and you close it up. Now the next thing you do is you grab your tip and you place it on, and you just push it on until it makes a little clicking sound. Now you can test it out, the on and off switch. As you guys see right there, the battery is turning on. And from there, you guys, it's pretty self-explanatory. Plug it into your device, flip on the switch, and there you go, you're charging. So that's how the Igo PowerXtender works. Let's go ahead and disconnect it so we can just look at the PowerXtender itself. Now I did a few tests with this product, guys, and I've had these tests done since last Monday, and I'm sorry it took a little while to get this video to you guys, but you've known I just started school and it's been really hectic. I've actually been out of town for the whole week, so getting a chance to shoot this video on the weekend. But I did do a few tests with quite a few different batteries. I used 4 sets of batteries, 2 sets of premium batteries, and 2 sets of standard batteries. The standard batteries I used were Panasonic and Everready. And the 2 sets of premium batteries I used were Energizer and Duracell. All of these are alkaline batteries, because I did receive alkaline batteries with this, the Duracell ones. And the way I conducted these tests was I let my iPod Touch 2G, so I did do this on the iPod Touch 2G. I let the battery life on that run down to a little bit less than 10%, and I used 3 different monitoring applications along with the percentage bars on the iPod Touch. And from there I plugged in the PowerXtender with the Duracell batteries. It took roughly a little bit over an hour and a half to fully charge from 10% all the way to 100. And I got roughly 1.5 charges out of it, so pretty much 150% charge out of that. And I was monitoring when I started it, when I ended it, and how much juice I got in between. Now with the Energizer batteries, it took me a little bit less than an hour and a half actually. It took about an hour and 15 minutes to go from 10% all the way to 100. And out of that, I got roughly about the same, a little bit less than the Duracell, but around 1.5 charges, a little bit less. Now, it does make a difference when you use premium batteries and standard batteries. With the Ever-Ready batteries, it actually charged faster than the other two. It charged in about an hour and 10 minutes. Like I said, I was monitoring when I started, when it ended. It took pretty much an hour and 10 minutes, but that's all I got. After that, I tried, the battery wouldn't go again at all. So pretty much almost one full charge with the Ever-Ready batteries. And the Panasonic batteries, they took about an hour and a half to fully charge my device from 10% to 100%. And that one I got a little bit over one full charge. So the best batteries that I used were probably the Duracell batteries that came with it. These ones right here that came with it. So if you're going to buy this product, recommend premium batteries. Now for my final thoughts on the Igo PowerXtender, I like it. I really do. I actually carry this one around me in my backpack wherever I go. And it's not that expensive. It's $15.99 and you get the free power tip. Also, I do like the fact that if I get another device in the future, I could just go back to Igo and just buy a power tip and use it with this device, so I don't have to buy another, maybe a backup battery for it. The only downside to the product, I would say, would be the batteries. I'm not a fan of carrying batteries around, but aside from that, I really like the Igo PowerXtender, and I like the whole concept that Igo got going on with their power tips. I find it really interesting. And I hope you guys liked my review. If you guys want to go check out Igo, I will put a link in the description so you can go check out their products and see what they have to offer. And until our next review, guys, this is Castro5661. Peace.